to disable the seatbelt chime. The Ford manual here says belt minder feature. I found it here, page 46. Alright, so we're supposed to have the parking brake on and turn your ignition to on, but don't actually turn it on. And the manual says to wait approximately 1 minute until this seatbelt light turns off, or they call it safety belt. So when it does turn off, we're supposed to buckle and unbuckle it 3 times, starting at an unbuckle. I believe finishing at an unbuckle too. There we go. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn back on. There you go. Turn back off. Buckle again. Unbuckle. There we go. So once you see those fast blinks, the chime is disabled. If you want to enable it again, it says here in the manual to I guess repeat all the steps again.
It's just one of those